up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Ri and Marie.
And I'm Qui.
So on today's video, we are going to be showing you guys how we pack our personal bag for flights, which happens to be our Neverfull GM. One of our favorite personal items.
Yes. So this is the big bag that we take on vacation. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, you gonna hold it while I take the stuff out?
So I'm gonna be her sidekick for today. So Qui is just gonna take everything out of her GM Neverfull. She's gonna show you what it is, and you can see everything that fits in this bad baby.
Do you want to show them the inside so they can see like?
We're gonna show you guys the inside real quick.
Look at this. And this bag is packed like this for a reason. We have been in instances where we've been jacked up because we didn't have the stuff we needed with us. So now when we travel, we have our personal item as well as our carry-on. Okay, we were in a situation where we were at Coachella. They lost our bag at the airport, and it set the whole tone for the trip. This happened like 2 years ago.
Yes.
It was absolutely horrible. And then there was a time we were actually stuck in Miami. And you would think, oh, y'all in Miami, y'all about to kick it.
Let's turn up.
Let's turn up. But no, at the time, it was winter in Chicago, so we had on winter clothes. Like, imagine it being 90 degrees in Miami, and we got snow boots on.
It was horrible.
It was horrible. So now we take everything with us. And want to see it? You want to see it? Here we go. Okay. So the first thing that I have is my actual purse that I will be wearing to the actual airport, and it has all of my goodies in there as well as any makeup that I might need, like my powder, some, what else?
Lipstick, lip gloss,
yeah, concealer, stuff like that. So that is what is in this bag.
and that is the Mini Springs, the Palm Springs backpack.
Yeah, they know what it is. Y'all know. I know y'all know. And then I have this really, really big shawl by Louis Vuitton. I stole this from my boyfriend. And I now use this, and now I use this for like, kind of like a blanket on the flight, as well as if we go somewhere that's kind of cold, I'll have a sweater, and then I'll have this.
This is so nice.
Girl,
I want
so
this.
nice. My poor boyfriend. Like, babe, you got my I don't know what you talking about. What you talking about, Willie?
I'm sure you know now.
he don't watch our videos, so he probably shh, don't y'all tell on me either. Okay, so then we have the vlogging camera. I am usually the keeper of the vlog. So if you see some vlogging and it's bad, probably it's me.
I'm the good vlogging.
No, she not.
Yes,
she don't even like vlogs.
I don't like vlogging, but I do good vlogs.
Okay. Then I have my toiletry pouch 26. This I actually use as a clutch, like actually on vacation. But in my bag, it just has all of my electronics, my iPod, my earbuds. What else? And just a lot of plugs and boring stuff. Y'all don't need to worry yourselves with that.
I want this little toiletry pouch.
Girl, yeah, it's so bomb.
Yeah,
like,
it carries a lot of items in there.
Yeah, it carries a lot, and like I said, you can actually use it as a clutch. So this is really good, especially for vacation. And then an iPad, of course. Me and my sister will usually have an iPad, or sometimes we'll watch movies on each other's iPads. So yeah. What else do we have, darling? Oh, y'all need this.
Yes.
Okay. This is a water bottle that actually expands. So you guys know that a lot of airports, they actually do have filtered water, and water at the airport is like $4. And guess what? We ain't going.
Nope, we ain't
Water
getting that.
should be free 99.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, we have that. Then I have my phone.
There's so much stuff.
It's so much stuff. It's just never ending.
This is like the clown car. How it's like one car and all those clowns be coming
Yes,
out.
it's that serious. Then I have my sunglasses. Anytime I go on vacation, I only take one pair of glasses because I do not have time to be trying to keep up with all those glasses. So what do we have here, darling?
Ooh, Dior.
We have my favorite glasses. These are my Dior glasses.
Oh, those, you look like a trap star in those.
Trap star, ooh.
It's so silly.
So, yep, we have that. Then we have in here the pouch. Okay, so this is the pouch that actually comes with the Neverfull. And in here, I'll keep like everything that's supposed to go in my wallet. So right now, I just have my passport in here. I also keep my receipts in here. And then I have another bag in here. So I never put my bags inside of any luggage, point blank, period. Because if they have me check my luggage and I don't have my purses, that gives me anxiety.
Yeah.
So this is the purse that I'm taking on vacation with me. It is the Saint Laurent tassel flat bag. So yeah, that is that. Oh, and what else? And then I have these. This is just like a Chanel dust bag. And this is a pouch. I use both of these for jewelry. Anytime I go out of town, whatever jewelry I'm going to be wearing, I keep on me. I do not put my jewelry down under any circumstances. I wear it, and then if I need to take it off at the hotel, I just put it in these and put it back in my purse so I don't forget it, or my stuff don't get stolen. Is that it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. We got an empty bag. So yeah, the Neverfull I think is amazing for travel.
Yes.
It's so great. You could keep everything in there. It's kind of like a cheat. Because literally, even if you want to, like, if you was going somewhere for like a couple of days, or if you were going somewhere for like 2 days, 3 days, you could literally fit everything that you need inside of this bag.
Yes. And it definitely, it is classified as a personal bag, you guys. It can fit underneath the seat. It fits inside of the bins. We've already tested it out. So if you have the Neverfull GM or the MM, it definitely will count as your personal item.
Yeah, so you could still actually take like a carry-on luggage, and that's what we do now when we travel. And we could do luggage and this, like a personal item and just the luggage. We could usually get up to like 8 or 9 days with that and be good.
If you guys want, we could definitely put what we put in our carry-on bag. So if you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below and thumbs up and let us know, and we could possibly just start up like a traveling section on our page. So just let us know.
That would be cool.
Yeah, it would be.
Travel with Chiq.
Ooh.
Chiq travel.
Let us know a name down below for our travel.
Okay, so today's shout out is going to go to our boo, our doll, our supporter. Her name is Lux Beauty XO Beauty 1. Okay, she actually sent us a message like, hey, I'm gonna binge watch all y'all videos. Like, y'all are so great. And I'm just like, oh, okay, like that's so cool. And I'm thinking, you know, the situation is done. Like, no, it wasn't done. She came back a couple of hours later, like maybe more than a couple of hours, like, I just watched all y'all videos.
And she shared it with her friends.
And she shared it with her friends. Girl, you the real MVP for doing that, honey. So you deserve all this love.
So every Thursday we drop a video, share it with your friends. Make sure you guys subscribe.
Yes.
And we will see you guys next week. And don't forget to stay what?
Chiq.
Chiq, baby. Chiq Squad out. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to
And you trying to shoot how many? 3 videos today? Girl.
Ready? Make sure her hair look good. Okay. Your leg was hurt.
That wasn't my leg, that was this seat. I just moved.
Oh.
Remind, I got this big old thing on my lap.
Okay. Ready? Come on, man.